back to my channel. I'm Ritu Kapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review Mystic box from Fashitude. So this is the box which I have received for April month. So let's just quickly open it and see what all it has. But before unboxing, let me tell you this is a jewelry subscription box. So in this box you will receive beautiful jewelry pieces. Now the price for a monthly subscription is 499 rupees with the shipping. And I have a good news for you that I have a coupon code by which you can save 5%. Coupon code is RITU5. I will be mentioning this in the description box, so don't worry. I will be mentioning the buying link as well in the description box. Now let's quickly unbox it and see what all jewelry pieces I've received. Let's start with the first one, and the first one is this beautiful black neck piece. I really like it. The color is black, so of course very safe, and you can just see the neck piece. And it comes with the matching earrings. So one is here, another one is here. Let me just wear it and show you. Wow, so this is the look. The color is black and I'm wearing something like blue, so it's not really going with this, but it's looking really pretty. I love it. And the quality and everything of earrings and the neck piece is beautiful, so I like it. And I know I will be wearing this for sure. Now let's move on to the next one. The next one is a beautiful ring. This is the ring. It's really pretty. I love it. Very Rajwada kind of a feeling it gives. So just have a look. It's very pretty. I like it. Very stylish. You are definitely going to stand out with this for sure. So I love it. Really pretty. Now let's move on to the earrings part. Now this is the first one which I've got in earrings. The color is red with gold with some black, and this is like stone kind of a work. It's not the plastic earrings. These are like the stone work. You can just see. Let me just wear this and show you the look. This is the look. You can just see it's looking really pretty. The feel is quite rich of this, so I like it. A very party wear kind of a earring. I like it. Now let's move on to the next one, and don't worry about the looks because I will be creating a lookbook and I will be attaching that in the end as usual, you know. Now the next is this. This is the owl earrings, and I already have one in brown color and I really like it because the style is actually very different, and of course you actually stand out with these type of earrings. So yeah, I like it. I'm happy with this one, and this is the look. Wow, looking nice. Now let me move on to the next one. The next one are these. These are gold with some red with some black. So this is the one. Just wear one and show you the look. This is the look. These are again very pretty, and these are actually daily wear kind of a look, and I like it. The color is quite safe. You can just mix and match this one with anyone, I guess, with anything actually. Okay. Now I'm left with the last one, and it's really beautiful. It's a full set. It has a beautiful neck piece. Not actually neck piece, but yeah, this is the one. This is the pendant. You can just see it's so beautiful. Peacock, and this is the chain, and then it comes with the matching earrings here. Let me just wear this and show you the look. This is the look. You can just see it's looking really pretty, though it's not really going with my dress right now, but the style is really nice. I like it. The peacock is beautiful with the silver tassel here and the matching earrings. So a really beautiful piece. I really like it. So that's all what I have received in my mystery box from Fashitude for April month in 499 rupees, and in fact you are saying 5% by using my code. So I think it is a good box. I quite like the jewelry, and if you also like the jewelry, just go ahead and place your order. I will be mentioning the buying link in the description box. So that's all for today. Of course, I will be attaching a lookbook, so stay connected for that. So that's all for today. I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye.